sites where mass executions took place in what was then East Pakistan and now is Bangladesh. Peter Grant reports.
Massacres took place in towns and villages throughout the country. The river port of Khulna is a classic example. Government and military officials estimate that 100,000 people died in the Khulna district alone. Much of the killing took place along the banks of this small waterway on the outskirts of town. Local residents say the Pakistani troops took Bengali civilians to the waterway every day for mass executions. Now only scattered bones and tattered clothes remain as grim reminders of the slaughter. Every few yards along the canal banks lie human skeletons. Locals claim tens of thousands died here, but no one can say for sure how many killings occurred. Massacres took place in many parts of Khulna. The victims were Bengalis, especially members of Sheikh Mujeeb Rahman's Awami League, Hindus, students, and professional men. Khulna residents speak bitterly of the murder and raping which went on for months. A common sight in Khulna is the capture of local men who collaborated with the Pakistani forces. The collaborators are kept in prison where they await trial by the Bangladesh government. Many Bengalis openly admit they want revenge. But many of those responsible for the killings in Khulna will never be caught, and the bodies of many of those who died will never be discovered. Locals say countless bodies were thrown into the river, and the Pakistani troops kept no records of the people they killed. Peter Grant, CBS News, at Khulna in Bangladesh.
The National Disease Control